Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best exhaust cutout is probably one of the most sought-after modifications for car enthusiasts who want to significantly change their vehicle's exhaust note and unleash its full potential, offering a powerful roar when open and a subtle purr when closed. This 3-inch exhaust cutout allows drivers to control the exhaust flow, giving them the best of both worlds, a thrilling, unrestricted exhaust experience when desired and a quieter, more civil driving experience for everyday use. Today, we will deep dive into this amazing product and explore why it's a game changer for many car owners. Number 5. SPELAB Electric Exhaust Cutout Valve. This 3.0-inch electric exhaust cutout valve kit enhances your vehicle's performance with a simple touch. It's compatible with various vehicles, but ensure you have enough space for installation and that your exhaust is the correct size. The kit includes a 3.0-inch valve with motor, an extension harness, a wireless remote, battery not included, and a control box with a cigarette lighter plug. Everything you need for a seamless installation. It's designed for single exhaust pipes, optimizing exhaust flow for increased horsepower. Experience a powerful, aggressive sound while maintaining smooth exhaust gas flow. It features a high-quality chrome-plated steel butterfly plate and a thickened valve pipe. The opening angle is easily controlled for customized sound and performance. Control it all from inside your car with the wireless remote. Enjoy a peaceful drive with it off, or unleash the aggressive sound when you want it. It operates at 12 V and withstands temperatures from 0 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius. Avoid using it in heavy rain or extreme cold, as the motor isn't waterproof. It comes with a 12-month warranty on the motor, remote, and control box. We're committed to your satisfaction and offer 24-hour support for any issues. What we like. It features a user-friendly wireless remote for effortless on-off switching. If you desire convenient control of your exhaust sound, this is the perfect choice. This allows for quick changes between a quiet and aggressive exhaust note, ideal for various driving situations. What people say. Had this on for over a year and a half now and it still works perfectly, had a shop welded on for me and I've had no problems. I try and avoid big pools of water but still get it regularly washed at a car wash and I'm sure it gets wet. I also take the car to the desert up big dunes and still no problems. I'm surprised at how durable this thing is. Easy install. I bought clamps separately and had the entire thing in an hour. Man, it works perfectly, simple design and the best bang for your buck. The sound when closed sounds completely normal and when opened it sounds completely straight piped. 10/10. Works the way it should. Recommend using RTV or a silicone of some kind to seal around the motor, being the motor is not waterproof. If you do not know how to weld, you will have to pay for it to be installed. It will not work to just cut the pipe and clamp it on. I welded mine in and built the piping using an exhaust bender and works great. Takes 3 clicks on open to fully open the valve, 3 to close. You can leave it partially open if you want, and if you disconnect power and ground from the circuit it stays in the position it was last in. Number 4. QTC30 Electric Exhaust Cutout. Get ready to experience the thrill of a powerful exhaust note with the QTC30. It's a simple yet effective way to control your vehicle's exhaust system. At the heart of it all is a robust 3.00-inch electric valve. This ensures smooth and reliable operation, giving you precise control over your exhaust. Installation is a breeze with the included wiring harness. Everything you need for a seamless setup is right in the box. Control it all with a simple, single toggle switch. This allows for quick and easy changes to your exhaust tone. Clear and concise instructions are included to guide you through the installation process. You'll have it up and running in no time. Please note that purchasing this product through Amazon means it does not come with a warranty or factory support from QTP. What we like. This option provides a straightforward installation process, saving you time and effort. If you're on a budget and need a reliable 3-inch cutout, this is a great value. Its ease of use makes it perfect for those who want a simple upgrade without the hassle. What people say. This was a direct replacement and worked perfectly. You get what you see in the picture, but in fact the newer version, well constructed. Love these cutouts, a flick of the switch and my ride goes from mundane to mad in 5 seconds. Been on my vehicle for nearly a year and works like a charm every time. Number 3. Granatelli 302530 Exhaust System. Introducing the Granatelli Motorsports 302530, a high-performance exhaust cutout system. It's designed for a seamless fit and superior sound. With a 3-inch diameter, it's perfectly sized for optimal exhaust flow. This ensures maximum power and efficiency. This system offers precise electronic control over your exhaust. Enjoy the flexibility to switch between quiet and aggressive modes with ease. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it's built to last. This ensures long-lasting performance and resistance to corrosion. Installation is quick and easy thanks to the slip-fit design and secure band clamp. It's designed for a perfect fit on your exhaust system. The straight bend design ensures smooth exhaust gas flow. This contributes to improved performance and reduced back pressure. What we like. Made from robust stainless steel, it ensures longevity and resistance to corrosion. If you prioritize durability and a secure fit, this is a top contender. The slip-fit design with band clamp makes installation quick and easy, perfect for those who value a hassle-free experience. What people say. Extremely surprised at the overall quality of all the components in this kit. The design appears to be a more sturdy design which adds less overall stress to the exhaust from the cats to the muffler system. Materials are noticeably high quality. Cutout butterfly valve makes a great seal. There is a slight amount of leakage, but I have a very restrictive muffler and a supercharged 5.0, so it's to be expected. It is minimal. Wiring is so simple I can't even really call it wiring. It's literally plugging stuff in. Easy to work and wire. Works great. Number 2. QTC 60 Dual Electric Valves. These valves offer superior performance and reliability. They're perfect for a variety of applications. You get 2 high-quality, 3-inch electric valves in one package. They're ready to install and use. A complete wiring harness is included for easy installation. No need to source additional parts. Control both valves easily with the included dual toggle switch. It's simple and intuitive to operate. Installation is a breeze with our clear and concise instructions. Get it up and running quickly. It's the perfect solution for your needs, offering both power and dependability. Upgrade your system today. What we like. Experience a significant boost in exhaust flow and a more pronounced sound with its dual valve system. If you're looking for a dramatic improvement in your vehicle's exhaust, this is an excellent option. The dual valves offer a more powerful and customizable exhaust experience. What people say. For years in operation and they still work great. This is my second set of these. I have another that's been on a different vehicle for about 10 years. These are great, no problems yet seem to work very good. Quality is great. I put these on my canned 2013 GMC Denali 6.2L and it just wakes the truck up. I'd buy these again. Number 1. Pypes 3 Dump Plate Kit. Upgrade your vehicle's exhaust system with this high-performance dump plate kit. It's designed for a powerful and aggressive exhaust note. This kit is designed for straightforward installation, saving you time and effort. Get it done quickly and easily. It's constructed from durable, high-quality materials to withstand the rigors of daily driving and deliver long-lasting performance. Experience a more powerful and aggressive exhaust sound. It will transform your vehicle's sound. The 3-inch dump plate design optimizes exhaust flow for maximum performance. Enjoy improved horsepower and torque. Despite its power, it comes in compact packaging, measuring just 3.0 by 12.7 by 13.7 centimeters. Easy to handle and store. This high-quality kit is manufactured in China, ensuring reliable performance at a competitive price. Get yours today. What we like. This offers a no-frills approach to exhaust modification, making it easy to install and use. If you need a basic and affordable way to modify your exhaust, this is a great option. Its straightforward design is perfect for those who want a simple and cost-effective solution. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.